Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting off our morning by enjoying some catnip. So I woke up about an hour ago. I am still so tired. I'm in the middle of drinking my coffee right now, but I decided to give the girls some catnip. These girls are so stingy, I swear. I made 3 different piles, one here, and one here, because these girls do not know how to share. But anyways, they're just having fun, enjoying their catnip. Today is November 1st, so happy November 1st. I'm gonna be doing some cleaning in here today. I'm ready to take all of this down. I'm not physically ready because I'm tired, but in every other aspect of being ready, I'm totally ready to just, all this Halloween stuff has got to be put away. So today I'm gonna be packing it up, putting it away in my storage closet, which I will give you a view of because y'all probably never looked in there since I've got it jam-packed. I'll show y'all that because ain't no shame here. Okay, are y'all ready to see what's behind door 1 and door 2? Do I dare open? Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Y'all, what is this? What are those? Okay, so this is actually where the washer and dryer is supposed to go, but I don't have a washer and dryer, so we use this as storage. So I've got lots of random stuff in here. Blankets, the box we made a couple years back for our Christmas tree, some Halloween stuff, my space heater, the old litter box, DVDs there, Christmas stuff, extra litter box trays. So that's what's inside there. I actually have to get this box, so I'm gonna be taking all this out just to get to that box to put all this Halloween stuff away. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick overview of what my apartment's looking like right now, because I'm about to start cleaning and putting up everything. Just showing y'all some real life mess here.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack.
Whoa, look at this mess I've made. I don't know what I just got myself into, but I got the tub out and I've got to get this stuff down, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, I did not want to record that because it was so much work and it was not fun, but I'm so glad it's over with. We're putting you away. Goodbye.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? na na na, we ain't got the time. You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
Y'all, I'm out of breath, but I'm full of energy from that drink. Anyways, I'm starving now, so I'm gonna go ahead and make me some breakfast and I'll show you what I'm gonna be making. All right, so I'm gonna be making an English muffin with some eggs. I put a little butter in my pan, I'm letting that heat up. I'm gonna crack my eggs in there, pop one of these in the toaster, and then we'll be good to go.
But in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
Okay, so my English muffin is done. On one side, I put some avocado with some everything bagel seasoning, and I'm gonna put my egg on top of the avocado. This is what she looks like. Got a little extra egg on the side there. So I'm hoping to get all my cleaning done before Alan gets home from work. He called a little while ago and said he'd be home early, so I better hurry up.
Wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. Not that we were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low-key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you.
Okay, so I just finished mopping my floor off camera from front door to back. I need to mop this part. I just need to move this stuff out of the way. I actually need to put the vacuum in the bedroom because I need to vacuum my bedroom. I also mopped my bathroom floor. I need to finish cleaning my bathroom. I'm so pooped out, y'all. And then I need to work on the bedroom, so that's gonna be happening next.
A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew.
I'm officially worn out. I am worn out, y'all. Anyway, I just want to go ahead and end this video. I am going to relax now because I literally have done so much in here. It's ridiculous, and my back is starting to hurt. There was a lot I did in here that I didn't film. At one point my battery started dying, so I had to throw it on the charger. And I just had to keep going. Because if I was to stop, then I would stop completely, so I had to keep going. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a like. Leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. And if you like my content, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!
I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew.